What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we are finally smogging the Skyline. I'm actually headed there right now and I'm pretty sure it's gonna pass. Nerve-wracking thinking that, you know, for whatever reason your car's not gonna pass and then you gotta dig in and figure out what's wrong with the car and blah blah blah. But anyways, let's stay positive. The car is gonna pass, and from there you guys already know what's gonna happen.
3 hours later.
Alright guys, guess what? We just passed smog for the third time of owning this car. Piece of cake. I usually go to the same place all the time. We got a pass. Later on this week, hopefully we can put that tomei back on this car and go rip through the canyons. So I think somebody tried to steal the GTR because my key is not working. See? It's not working, guys. Like, it just spins freely. Look at that. No effort. Damn, did somebody just try to steal the car and f up my key entry thing? Lock? Okay, so this side opens. This side over here. Yeah, that door is messed up. Yeah, guys, I don't know what happened. The door was working perfectly fine this whole time. Alright guys, so the keyhole for my door no longer works. I don't know what happened. I have to start opening the car from the passenger side to be able to get in. With that being said, it is one of the many things that comes with purchasing an old car. These cars didn't come with a control or an alarm. That's definitely an upgrade in 2024. So to fix my issue and make life a lot easier, and in general, just to lock and unlock the car without using my key, I went ahead and bought myself a keyless entry setup. I'm only going to be using one of them, and this is pretty much gonna allow me to open the door with a control. Here's the rest of the stuff, and here is the control. Pretty cool. Let's hope this works, and hopefully I can fix my door. Putting all the correct wires with the cording color, and yeah, I need to try this out before I start taking stuff apart and then have it not work. So I'd rather make sure it works. I just got to connect a power and a ground, and then we give it a go and see if it works. So I just wired it up pretty quick just to test it out and see if it works, and check it out. Bam. So now that we confirmed that it works, time to take off this panel. Hopefully I don't break anything. I've never taken this thing off, so I'm gonna be really careful to make sure not to break any clips. I got the panel off, and right away I noticed a bracket that looks very familiar to the one that I got. Very similar. So I'm assuming this car had an aftermarket alarm system or something, because the wires are still there. But I mean, I didn't get it when I got the car, so. Alright guys, so I pretty much ran the wires through there. Yeah, it was kind of hard to get through that grommet, but finally got it done. Through the door, up through here, and then this is where they connect to the little motor, which is gonna open and close my lock. Right now I just gotta mount the little computer somewhere up here, and we're good to go. Connect the ground and ready to see if this actually works. Everything is lined up together, connected, and I hooked up the power and ground, hid that thing so the wires aren't exposed. And now, the moment of truth. And open it. Bam. Check it out. We're gonna close it. Sick. I no longer have to use my key to open the door. Not that I could anymore because it's messed up, but having this control is definitely a big weight off my shoulders. I was seriously stressing out because I couldn't open the door, and good thing I was able to open it through the other side. Regardless of the keyhole working or not, this was very much needed. Now that we know it works, it's time to put everything back together. Let's do this. Alright guys, just picking up some energy drinks and some pizza because your boy's shoe is getting hungry. Don't underestimate 7-Eleven pizza. These are good. At least the 7-Eleven I go to. Always holding up some good deals. Buy one, get one free energy drinks. Cold AC. Doesn't get any better than this. We made it home. Check out the puppies. So some of you actually enjoy watching the dogs. I posted a few videos of me playing with the dogs, and you guys really like it, so maybe I'll start showing you guys a little bit more of the pets. Here's an update on the Oscar. This guy is huge. It's been a while since I bought him last. I don't know if you guys remember. I did add it in the vlogs the day that I bought him. And if you guys remember, he was tiny. Look at him, he's a monster now. So hopefully this fish gets along and the Oscars doesn't try to eat him. Let's go ahead and release him. We already acclimated him, so he should be ready to go in the tank. And there's plenty of areas where he can hide if he's not feeling comfortable. Wow, look at him guys. That is a nice color. Yellow with blue fins. Damn. Looks like a Pokemon card, holographic.